Hey guys, this is Janelle Nail Gun Nelly, and this is episode 4 of my toy hauler renovation. I'm going to show you how I created this awesome drink dispenser. Hit that subscribe button to keep following along.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to work on is the little liquor dispenser thing that I got. It was pretty cheap. It was like 30 bucks or something like that. But I don't like the silver that it came as, and I don't really want to spray it black. So what I'm going to try is this Rub and Buff. You can get it on Amazon. I'm using European gold. It looks the most, it's like a darker version of a gold. And I think all you do is take like a old makeup brush and kind of dab it on. I've never used it before, but I've wanted to. So I am going to try and apply this. It's supposed to go on any surface, and hopefully kind of antique it and get it that goldish color, not the silver. And then I got lighting for the back, so hopefully I'll be able to get all that up and some liquor in there. Okay, so I just got this in the mail. It is basically like a liquor dispenser. I'm hoping to hook it up in the toy hauler. So 4 bottles can go here. Supposedly you can put wine in this along with hard alcohol. So probably put like 2 bottles of wine and like a vodka and I don't know, some other whiskey or something. But you put these onto the bottom, and you can see I like filled that up with water. This connects to the alcohol, and then you just push down and it comes out. So should be pretty cool. I want to like light up behind it and stuff. So we'll see if my idea works out. Okay, here it is, now bronzified, much better. The spray paint worked great. This is where I'm thinking I'm putting it. I am putting strip lights behind these. So, can I slide them up after? No. Okay, so at least with this cord, I don't want this here, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna drill a hole through the cabinet right here, and it'll go inside the cabinet. And luckily this used to hold a boob TV, and so there is a plug right inside, and that's where we will plug it in. So that hole right there, I am going to put something like this. It's like basically it covers up the hole. This is like for the phone connector for our radio. So I'll do the same thing up. I went to go pour myself a glass of wine and I realized I brought it down here. So let's pour some. Cheers.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune in for episode 5 where I show you how I turn this vacant space into a dish display. Don't forget to give this video a like and leave any questions in the comments below. I hope you subscribe to my channel, and we will see you next time.